Hey guys,
Crazy face wanted Chinese.
welcome back to another video.
Chinese food, it's 23 bucks.
Today guys, I know nothing major, we just do a little unboxing. I'm unboxing my very first Amazon package. And I wanted to share this moment with y'all. Yes, so guys, I bought this 30-inch body weight for my birthday from the 3rd of March. However, today is the 10th of April and I'm now getting it. So that's just that. Let's get into it. Guys,
Excuse me.
can I tell you?
Linda?
That's Slinda.
They did not disappoint. Mind you, it was my first time purchasing, so I was kind of worried as hell. But guys, they did not disappoint. Here can go
I just
on.
made 23 bucks.
See the guys, you can go on. Can go on.
You guys go do whatever. I'm gonna have a little chat with Linda.
Can go on, guys.
Okay, calm.
Here's the lace of
It's you.
it.
Why do you keep terrorizing me? I mean, what did I ask?
Oh no. I didn't really want to take care of this until I'm ready for can I go install it and thing. But I just hope you guys get the drift. It's so beautiful here. And I am proud of the purchase. Anywho. Oh, may I have more stuff guys. These came with it as well. I got a wig cap and I got this band for the edges. Yeah. It's